Huh? What? No, that's my bird. Leave him be. Stop!
Robin!
Merlin, he's gone. We have to get him back.
Could have been eaten alive. What were you thinking? What are you doing out here?
Father, they took Merlin.
Lass! No. No, you're not going after him. Not in there.
But we can't leave him.
Look, I promised your mother I'd keep you safe. You'll be safe back in the town. It's for your own good.